Hey, it's Armin. So I've got 3 cars here. One has hood louvers, but it still has the stock airbox, and it still has the stock battery box. And I've got a car over there that has a battery relocation and a, let's say, a cold air intake equivalent because it's just got a bunch of turbo piping. And then I've got one over there that also has a turbo, battery relocated, and it has my fan upgrade. So let's do a little bit of fan testing. I've got my anemometer here. Let's go and see how much airflow we're getting across these guys. Oh, you're gonna wanna see this. So I'm reading 0.6 coming out of this one. 1.3, 1.5-ish towards the rear. Very little flow here. We got the AC going on all these cars to try and make sure it's even. Let me stop that. Hold on, the wind's blowing. We got a little bit of air there. So I got a 1 and a 1.2 up to 1.5. Okay, let's step over to this car and have a look. So unfortunately this doesn't have singular motorsports louvers, but you'll at least be able to tell that it has more airflow. We got the AC on, Tony?
Yep.
Right, so at least we have flow across the whole thing. I don't expect much across the front one because, well, the fan really has trouble blowing in this area, but my numbers speak more than my words. A little bit more flow on this side. Okay, so we've demonstrated we got airflow across all of them. Now you can hear my fan system screaming into this thing. Let's see what numbers we got here. Oh shoot, we got up to 3.2 there. Seems like there's a lot of air going on right here, towards the center-ish. And I feel more air happening over here for sure. Oh geez, we're 3.5 over here too. Well, there you go. You wanted a little bit of proof as to why relocation is important. That's just for fan flow, but now imagine how it does when you're actually in motion. Feel free to pick up one of our fan kits online. Feel free to pick up one of our battery relocation kits and get yourself a cold air intake. Have a nice day.